In this video, we will be discussing the key features of the PUNEHOD UV DTF printer and determine whether it's worth buying or not. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below for the latest price. The PUNEHOD UV DTF printer is a 2-in-1 printing solution that combines both printing and laminating into one compact unit. This makes it really convenient because you can print directly onto the A film and have it automatically laminated with the B film, without needing to handle the films manually. You simply print, peel, and stick, which saves a lot of time and effort, especially if you plan to produce stickers or decals regularly. One of the standout features of this machine is its continuous white ink stirring system. This ensures the white ink is always well mixed and helps reduce the risk of nozzle clogging. Combined with the auto-cleaning function, this system makes maintenance much easier and helps extend the life of the printhead. For anyone who's experienced frustrations with traditional DTF printers, this is a huge advantage, as it keeps your printing smooth and consistent over time. The printer is also extremely versatile. You can create custom stickers or decals on materials like metal, wood, plastic, glass, and even leather. Whether your designs are for branding, packaging, DIY crafts, or home decoration, the printed stickers adhere well to flat or curved surfaces without worrying about peeling or fading quickly. This flexibility makes it ideal for small businesses or hobbyists who want professional quality prints without a huge setup. Everything you need to get started comes included. The package contains the A3 UV DTF printer, A and B films, UV inks, a cleaning solution, and a complete instruction manual. Keep in mind, the printer is shipped separately from the ink, but setting it up is straightforward. Additionally, PUNEHOD offers reliable after-sales technical support. Their engineers are available to assist within 24 hours if you encounter any issues during setup or printing, which adds peace of mind for both beginners and experienced users. Overall, the PUNEHOD UV DTF printer is a solid investment for those looking to produce high-quality, customizable stickers and decals efficiently. While the upfront cost and learning curve may be considerations for some, its durability, ease of use, and professional support make it a worthwhile option for creative projects or small-scale production.